400 metres to go, and it's Mr. Brightside about to let go by 3/4 of a length. Corner Pocket, Zaki needs an out, then Inspirational Girl and Luna Fox. Mr. Brightside, 250 metres to go. The sprint on, there's a run now for Zaki, about to use it. Zaki explodes through. Inspirational Girl late. Zaki, 100 metres to go, 3/4. Inspirational Girl's coming at him. It's going to be close. She got it. Inspirational Girl nailed Zaki. Photo third. Corner Pocket, Mr. Brightside, and then Banker's Choice. A gap to King Magnus, King of Leah Grounds, Pondus, Purple Sector, and Luna Fox at the end of the field.